Welcome to the Checkout Guide. Today's video, I'll show you how to display BLIK first for customers in Poland using the Next Reorder app. So this makes checkout faster for Polish customers who prefer paying with BLIK. So if you are looking for Shopify app to hide, rename and reorder payment and shipping method, check out the Next Reorder app. So the link is in the description below. So if you're new to this channel, please subscribe, like, share, comment and press the bell icon. Let's get started. First, we can go to the app section. Here we can click on Next Reorder app. So to reorder payment method, we can here in payment method, we can click on Keep Reorder Payment Method. So to configure the rule, we had to give the rule name. So here I'm giving like, okay, now the rule status is activated. So here we have to select the payment method, so that click on it and here can select to BLIK. So the display order, here I'm giving the first position. So here we have to give apply the condition, so that click on add condition and here we can select the shipping country. Okay, now click on add condition and here the shipping country is not one of, and here we can select the country. Here I'm selecting Poland. Okay, now click on the. Okay, here in rule preview you can see that the shipping country is none of Poland. It will reorder to BLIK in first question. Before that, we can go to the online store and check what is the payment methods question now. Okay, click on add to cart. Okay, here in cart we can see that there is some item, so that we can check out. Okay, here we can see there is some payment method, so the BLIK is in last position. Okay, now we can go to the rule section and here we can click on save. Okay, the route has been created now. Now we can go to the checkout section and let's refresh it. And let's see if it is in first position. Yeah, the BLIK is in first position now for the Poland country. Okay, that's it. Now we can hide the other payment methods, so that we can go to the Next Reorder app and here in payment method we can click on Quick Hide Payment Method, so that here we can give the rule name. So here hide, given my, okay, hide other payment methods in Poland. Okay, now the rule status is activated. Here we can select the payment method that we need to hide. So here I'm selecting cash on delivery, then Apple Pay. Mm, mm, mm. Okay, let me select time. Okay, here I have selected the payment methods that I need to hide. So here we have to apply the condition, so that the compact condition and we can select the shipping country. Okay, now the contact condition and here is not run off, and here we can select the country. I'm selecting Poland. Okay, now click content. So that's it. Here in rule preview you can see that shipping address now of Poland hide all these payment methods. Okay, now we can click on save. Okay, the rule has been created now. Go to the checkout section and let's refresh it. Okay, here we can see there is only the BLIK payment option we can see in Poland region. Okay, that's it. So You have successfully shown BLIK first for customer in Poland using the Next Reorder app. So if you found this helpful, please subscribe, like, share, comment, and press the bell icon. Thank you for watching. Have a great day.